Clear and Collect. The Clear and Collect is a smart, back-friendly tool that makes yard cleanup quick and effortless. Whether you're dealing with piles of leaves, grass clippings, or even longer twigs and vines, this tool helps you clear it all with ease without ever needing to bend down. Its long handle is designed to let you work while standing upright, reducing strain on your back and making garden chores far more comfortable. One of its standout features is the wide rake head, which covers more area in each pass. That means you'll finish cleaning your lawn faster and with less effort. It's not just a rake, it's designed to scoop and gather debris too, letting you collect everything in one smooth motion. Made in the UK, Clear and Collect is built with quality materials and thoughtful design. It's perfect for homeowners who want a tidy lawn without the hassle, and it works well for both small cleanups and larger yard maintenance. Coil Shot Condenser Cleaning Tool. The Coil Shot Condenser Cleaning Tool is a simple yet powerful device designed to clean condenser coils in HVAC systems quickly and easily. It's perfect for heat exchange units and not meant for electronics. The best part? You don't need any complicated setup. Just connect it to a regular garden hose, pop in a cleaning tablet, and you're ready to go. Coil Shot blasts away dirt, grease, and grime using water pressure mixed with a special cleaning tablet. Most cleanups need just 1 or 2 tablets, saving time and reducing waste. It also comes with a long 91-centimeter nozzle that helps you reach tricky spots without bending or climbing. This makes it ideal for both professionals and DIY users who want a fast and efficient cleaning solution. The electric 18-wheel ATV prototype is one of the most unique off-road vehicles ever built. Designed by a Finnish startup, this electric ATV doesn't use big tires or tracks. Instead, it rides on 18 small wheels, each powered by its own motor. These wheels are attached to flexible arms that move independently, helping the vehicle crawl over rough ground like a centipede. This unusual design lets it handle rocks, logs, steep paths, and even shallow water with ease. It can roll over obstacles nearly 8 inches high without slowing down. The springy arms and smart suspension keep the ride smooth and stable, no matter how rough the trail is. Because it's electric, it's also super quiet and leaves very little impact on the environment, perfect for nature lovers and eco-conscious explorers. The first prototype debuted in 2022 and caught attention for both its futuristic look and performance. The Enar Vibbar EBAT is a cordless concrete vibrator designed to make pouring and settling concrete easier, cleaner, and more comfortable. Unlike traditional models with long cords, this one is fully wireless, giving you complete freedom to move around without any hassle. Weighing only 5 kilograms, it's light and easy to handle, even for longer jobs. What makes this tool even more user-friendly is its low noise and reduced vibration, which means less fatigue while working and a quieter job site. On a full charge, the VB Bar EBAT can run for up to an hour, perfect for most concrete pouring tasks, whether you're working on a driveway, foundation, or slab. It helps remove air pockets and ensures the concrete settles properly for a smooth, strong finish. The package comes with everything you need to get started: the vibrator unit, a 4-amp-hour battery, and a charger. Enerpac Hydraulic Pumps SC Series. The Enerpac SC Series hydraulic pumps are powerful, smart tools made for tough jobs. A great example is the SC121MB model, which packs serious power with a maximum pressure of 689 bar. Even with this strength, it's easy to carry and use, weighing only about 20 kilograms, perfect for professionals who need performance and portability. It runs on a 54-volt battery, which means you don't need to plug it in. This makes it ideal for remote work sites or places where power outlets aren't available. The motor delivers around 1 horsepower, providing strong and steady operation for demanding tasks like construction, machinery repair, or industrial maintenance. What makes this tool even more helpful is the Enerpac Connect app. The app gives you useful extras like instructional videos, reminders for maintenance, and access to documents, so you always know how to use and care for your pump. The iDear Eye Massager is a smart and lightweight device designed to refresh and relax your eyes anytime, anywhere. Shaped like a sleek pair of glasses and weighing only 45 grams, it's super comfortable to wear, even while you're working or watching TV. You don't need to close your eyes, so it fits easily into your daily routine. It uses three soothing technologies to care for your eyes: gentle heat, red light therapy, and EMS, electrical muscle stimulation. The heat warms up in just a minute to about 40 to 42 degrees Celsius, which helps boost blood flow and ease tension around your eyes. The red light therapy works to reduce fine lines and brighten the skin by encouraging collagen production. EMS gently stimulates the muscles around your eyes, helping to reduce puffiness, dark circles, and strain from too much screen time. The massager has flexible arms and a comfy design that fits all face shapes, and its powerful battery lasts up to 72 hours, so you can enjoy dozens of sessions without recharging. The Fisher Duotech is a smart and sturdy drywall anchor that makes mounting things on hollow walls simple and reliable. Made from strong fiberglass reinforced plastic and stainless steel, these fasteners are built to last and handle heavy loads. Their compact size hides impressive strength, making them perfect for everything from shelves and picture frames to heavier wall-mounted items. What sets the Duotech apart is its clever ribbed strip design, similar to a zip tie. When you insert it into the wall, it folds behind the surface and locks in place, creating a secure grip without damaging the wall. It works with both regular screws and metric screws, giving you more flexibility for different projects. Installation is quick and easy. All you need is a standard 10mm drill bit. Just drill the hole, push in the anchor, and you're ready to screw in your fixture. Fiskars Water Wheel XL. The Fiskars Water Wheel XL is a clever and easy-to-use tool that makes watering your garden a breeze. No more messy, tangled hoses or struggling to roll them back up. This hose reel is designed to sit flat on the ground and rotates 360 degrees, letting you move freely around your yard while the hose follows along smoothly. It's perfect for watering large gardens, lawns, or flower beds. Everything you need comes in the box, including a high-quality hose, an adjustable spray nozzle, and connectors for your tap. Setup is simple. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. When you're done, the automatic rewind function rolls the hose back up neatly without any effort from you. One of its best features is its wide reach. With a 20-meter hose and smooth rotation, it can easily cover up to 1,500 square yards. This makes it ideal for people with big outdoor spaces who want to save time and energy. Harley-Davidson V-Rod. The Harley-Davidson V-Rod is a unique and powerful motorcycle that brought a fresh twist to the classic Harley image. Designed for speed and performance, it features a liquid-cooled V-twin engine built with help from Porsche, giving it strong acceleration and a smooth ride. Unlike traditional Harleys known for their rumble and old-school charm, the V-Rod looks and feels more like a modern muscle bike. Its design is bold and eye-catching, with a long, low frame, wide rear tire, and aggressive stance. The aluminum frame and fuel-injected engine offer a fast, responsive ride that's perfect for cruising the highway or making a statement in the city. The riding position is more forward-leaning, giving it a sportier feel compared to most Harleys. Irwin Folding 1-in Woodworking Chisel. The Irwin Folding 1-inch Woodworking Chisel is a smart and handy upgrade to a classic tool. Think of it like a butterfly knife, but for woodworking. It folds into its handle, making it super easy to carry around and safe to store in your toolbox or even your pocket. When opened, it functions just like a regular chisel: sturdy, sharp, and great for precise woodwork. With a 25mm wide blade, it's perfect for shaping, carving, or trimming wood. You can sharpen it like any normal chisel to keep it performing at its best. The handle is made of durable plastic, offering a strong and comfortable grip while you work. Whether you're smoothing edges or carving fine details, this tool is up to the task. This folding chisel is ideal for carpenters, hobbyists, or anyone who likes tools that are both practical and portable. It costs about $16, a bit more than a standard chisel, but the folding feature makes it well worth it.